Do you suffer from weak knees? Have you ever found a way to strengthen your knees? In this video, we will tell you how to strengthen knees and cartilage with a special natural drink. When we reach old age, some parts of the body gradually begin to weaken. In this situation, not only pain and fractures occur, but also it takes a long time to restore. Therefore, the problems spread to all parts of the body. One of the common problems is joint and muscle pain. Please subscribe to the channel before the end of the video. But as the age increases, the intensity of these pains increases. This type of pain is one of the most problematic pains, especially pain in the knee area. When it comes to the treatment of these pains, the treatments are usually temporary and return after a while, so many of the home remedies are very useful for you and without much cost. To prepare this natural medicine, you need a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a cup of barley, a spoon of elderberry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 20 grams of sweet almonds, a glass of water and a glass of milk. This drug is a strong and completely natural combination without side effects to strengthen knee cartilage and joints. After preparing these ingredients, first boil the barley with a glass of water for 10 minutes, then strain it and boil it with milk, cinnamon, turmeric, elderberry powder and almonds for 2 to 3 minutes, then let it cool. Then mix honey with it and drink 2 glasses of this drink daily. Drink 1 glass before breakfast and drink another glass before dinner and continue this treatment for 15 days.